Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting this channel. Okay, today we're going to use the hour here, hour. So I'm going to say hour path. This is kind of like making this global. Hour path is equal to, and I'm going to create a path here on my computer. Your path will be different, so you'll have to find the path for your computer. Users, mark desktop. When I use this hour will make this global, so I can access it from any subroutine that I'm going to create on here. Let's have a look. The folder that I want is on my desktop called PPP. Right. So I'm going to do another one. Our scalar path 2 is equal to C colon users mark desktop. Okay, and basically we're going to print out the paths to these. So I'm going to create the first subroutine. I'm going to call it change path 1. And we're going to use CHDIR, which is change directory, and we're going to change directory here to path 1. And now we're going to print out that path so we know that we actually changed the directory. So that's going to be path 1. And new line character there. Okay, and now I'm going to create another subroutine called change path 2. Again, we're going to do change directory. And we're going to change that to scalar path 2, new line. Okay, and then we're going to print it out so the user can see it. It's going to be scalar path 2, new line character. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to call the subroutines, but I just want this, going to do a little bit of flow control, so I want it to execute this, and then I want it to go onto this one and execute this subroutine here. There's a couple of ways I could achieve this, but this is one way that I'm going to do, and that's going to be change path 2. So once it's executed this line, it's going to jump to this subroutine. Okay, now all I have to do is call the first subroutine, which is going to be change path 1. That's all I have to do, and then save it. Let's run the program. There we go. So it's outputted the first path which we wanted, which is this one, and it's outputted the second path which we wanted, which is this one. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, as always, to hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment if you want. Just say hello or whatever, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.